Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're about to do this sexy red lip honey. This was inspired by a look that I did a couple of years ago. It's just, we're gonna go real nude on the eyes and make the lips be like the focal point. So we're gonna start off with this Ulta Beauty moisturizing foundation stick. And this is my first time trying this out. It was really moisturizing, to be honest. This is probably something that you guys would really enjoy during the fall time. And I'm just stippling it in with this e.l.f. foundation brush, and I highly recommend you guys get one of these. It's about $4 to $6, and I would probably use this or my beauty blender for my foundation and things like that. It's really good. So I did just 2 coats of this foundation, which my skin has been pleasantly nice, no breakouts or anything like that, so I have not been needing a lot of foundation. So once I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is use this Tarte creaseless concealer, and I'm just carving out my brow bone. I'm going for a full face look today, so I'm using a lot of makeup, I know, but it's gonna be cute in the end, sis. So I'm just gonna be using this e.l.f. concealer brush to blend that out. And my handle broke, so I mean, but it's still good to use to blend out. So that's what I'm doing, fixing my brows up and using my beauty blender to blend it all out. Now this is the Makeup Revolution Pro palette, and I'm just taking that just that light beige shade and blending that onto my crease and basically all over my lid. And I'm going to be playing with this palette a lot more because it has some really beautiful colors for the fall in it. So you guys are definitely going to be seeing this. I'm using my Clinique eyeliner, and this is like one of those felt tip eyeliners, and it's so good. It is so easy for me to do my cat eyes with. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do a cat eye when you filming, so I had to cut the camera off a couple of times. But now what I'm going to be using is this Tarte kit right here. It comes with a pair of lashes, eyeliner, and lash glue. And to be honest, every single product in this kit was amazing. Like, look at these lashes. These are the perfect lash, and you guys are going to see how it basically transforms my face. So before I do that, while I'm letting the glue dry, I'm going to use the Tarte creaseless concealer. And like I said, I'm going full face, so I'm about to pack on a lot of concealer. This is my first time trying this. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm blending that out with the beauty blender. As creaseless, like, I would agree. Like, I got in a fight and everything with this concealer on, and it's still on my face. So I'm applying my lashes. I should start doing story times for y'all, huh? So anyways, I'm applying those lashes. They are A1. Like, these are going to be probably my go-to lash, but that kit was $22 and the lashes itself was about $12, and that's about average. So they look so freaking pretty. So now I'm using my Morphe foundation and just blending out that harsh line of the concealer and things like that. I love when my makeup when it all comes together. Just blend, 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 child. And now what I'm going to do is take my eyeliner. This came in the Tarte kit, and I'm just putting that in my waterline just to deepen up the look. Ooh, we gonna contour this face. I'm using my Morphe contour duo. It's the name of it is called Showman's. That's my shade, I guess. And I love this. Now I'm gonna be using this Bad Gal Bang mascara from Ulta. And yeah, this is just a really nice mascara. I'm using my old e.l.f. highlighter, which is a go-to for me. It's called Apricot glow or something like that, but it's perfect for my skin tone. And then I like to put that on my brow bone as well. Like I said, we're going for full face. I'm using this She lip liner in the color Hot Red to line my lips, getting it ready for the Ruby Woo lipstick that we're going to be putting on by MAC. And this is it right here. I got this for the mini for $10 in Ulta. And this is like this is a universal red. Like this red is gorgeous. I have like other reds from Morphe, like brighter reds and neon reds and things like that. But this is the go-to red. This fits anybody. So I'm just putting some, what do you call it? Like a little highlight in my inner corner just to make it pop. And this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my latest video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.